अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। हम हाजिर हैं नई वीडियो के साथ। आज की वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे वाइटल ऑर्गन्स। पिछली वीडियो में आपको बताया था कि हमारी बॉडी में 5 वाइटल ऑर्गन्स होते हैं। अब हम उनको थोड़ी डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे। द वाइटल ऑर्गन आर दोस दैट आर पर्सन नीड टू सर्वाइव। इंसान को ज़िंदा रहने के लिए इन वाइटल ऑर्गन्स की वो ज़रूरत होती है। अब प्रॉब्लम विद एनी ऑफ दीज ऑर्गन वर क्विकली बिकम लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग। अगर इनमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है किसी एक ऑर्गन में भी, तो हमारे पास ये ज़िंदगी के लिए ख़तरा साबित हो सकता है। इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू लाइव विदाउट दीज ऑर्गन्स दैट्स इट। इन द केस ऑफ पेयर्ड किडनी एंड लंग्स, अ person can live without one of the pair. In the section below, we look at the 5 vital organs in more details. Brain. The brain is a body's control center. It forms the core of the central nervous system by creating, sending, and processing nerve impulse throughout thought, emotions, physical sensation, and the more. The skull encloses the brain and protecting it from injury. Neurologists are doctors who study the nervous system. Over time, they have identified numerous parts of the brain, including system within the brain that function similarly to independent organs. The brain is made up of 3 main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. Within these areas, there are several key components of the brain that, together with the spinal cord, comprise the central nervous system. The major area of the central nervous system include the medulla. This is the lowest part of the brainstem. It helps control heart and the lung function. The pons हमारे पास जो होते हैं वो located above the medulla in the brainstem. This area help control eye and the facial movement. The spinal cord extended from the base of the brain and down the center of the back. The spinal cord help with many automatic functions such as reflexes. It also send messages to and from the brain. The parietal lobe, situated in the middle of the brain. The parietal lobe support the identification of the object and the spatial reasoning. It also play a role in the interpreting pain and the touch signal. The frontal lobe, which is located in the front of the head, the largest section of the brain. It plays a role in many conscious functions, including personality and movement. It also helps the brain interpret smell. The occipital lobe, positioned near the back of the brain. The occipital lobe primarily interprets vision signals. The temporal lobe, located on either side of the brain. The temporal lobe play a role in numerous functions, including speech, scent recognitions, and the short-term memory. The brain two halves are called the right and left hemispheres. The corpus callosum connect these two hemispheres. हार्ट नेक्स्ट हमारे पास जो वाइटल पार्ट है वो होता है हार्ट के बारे में इधर बताया गया है जो हम देखते हैं. द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट ऑर्गन द ऑफ सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम which help deliver blood to the body. It work with the lung to add oxygen to blood and the pump this freshly oxygenated blood through the body vessels and around the body. The heart also has an electrical system within. The electrical impulses within the heart help ensure that it beat with a consistent rhythm and the proper rate. The heart rate increases when the body need more blood, such as during intense exercise. It decreases during times of rest. The heart has 4 chambers. The 2 upper chamber are called arteria and the 2 lower chamber are called ventricles. Blood flow into the right atrium from the vein of the heart and body, except the lungs. And then it flow into the right ventricle. From there it flow into the pulmonary artery, which has branches that reaches the blood, that reach the lungs. The lungs then oxygenated the blood. This oxygenated blood travels from the lungs through pulmonary veins that lead back and join together to the left atrium and then through the left ventricle. From there, the heart pumps the blood through an artery that branches to distribute blood and itself and other body part except the lungs. The a heart has four valves that ensure that blood flow in the right direction. The heart valves are the tricuspid valve, the pulmonary valve, the mitral valve and the aortic valve. इसमें हमने ब्रेन और हार्ट के बारे में देखा है कि हमारा ब्रेन किस तरह वर्क करता है और उसके कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं, हार्ट हमारा किस तरह वर्क करता है, उसमें कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं। नेक्स्ट वाइटल पार्ट्स को नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे। फ़िलहाल के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।